All right, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is taking a dip earlier all the way down to 60,000, bounced off the 60,000 level, and then it's now pushing up towards 70,000. We're right here at the 69,000 level, and we're trending, on the 50-day moving, correction, 1 hour 50 EMA. So that's hourly, and it's bouncing off of that 50 EMA, 1 hour 50 EMA, all the way up to where we are now. We're getting this final sort of bounce that's pushing into 69K, and we're trying to see if that's really going to break. This is a pivot zone here, and we're going to watch and see what happens once it gets back up to the 69. If it can break that 69K, it's pretty much on path to get up to the 70,000, which would be a complete $10,000 move. That it has taken from 60,000 all the way to 70,000. But as you continue to watch this, we don't know if it's going to go up or down before it gets to this particular mark. The idea is that from an average, we are trending up towards that level. So we could get some pullbacks and that sort of thing, but the overall average is still pushing in upward trajectory. So that's what we're really looking for to see if we can get here in the next few days, 69K and then on to 70,000. So that should impact all other altcoins as well. You're looking at Ethereum, or if you're looking at Cardano, or you're looking at Loopring, or Sheeb, or Dogecoin, Apecoin has really been taking off here lately. So you can look at all your different alts as this continues to happen. If we do get a break of 69K, then we would expect all those altcoins to have a lot of social media influencers, pushing them along with Bitcoin. So we'll continue to watch Bitcoin, see what happens.